We'll guide you through how to view or check your Google password on your PC or laptop. For whatever reason, you may want to find out what your Google account password is. Most browsers include a built-in password manager that can store your saved passwords. In this example, I'm using Google Chrome, but browsers like Microsoft Edge also have similar features. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Hover over Passwords and Autofill. Then click on Google Password Manager. You'll now see a list of all saved passwords. If you have a lot of saved passwords, use the search box at the top. Type Google to quickly find your Google account. Click on the Saved Google Account entry. If you have more than one login, select the one you want to view. To reveal the password, click on the eye icon. You can also click Copy Password to copy it to your clipboard. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your saved Google password on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.